All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to seal a bunch of envelopes the least messy way possible. I'm an invitation designer, and this is how I always advise people to do it. These envelopes, they were out of stock in the ones that had adhesive, so we got some without adhesive, so you can use a glue stick to seal them. I would recommend using glue stick anyway, because licking 100 envelopes is no fun. My favorite is Elmer's Disappearing Purple, but we're out of those, so we're going to use a crappy one from the dollar store, but it'll be fine. The key here is that you just need a magazine. Uline is a company we don't support, but they send us this massive phone book every year. So I'm going to use it to seal these envelopes. So the main key with sealing envelopes is that you want to get the glue all up in the edges. That's going to be the main, most important thing. So it's hard when you have a bunch to do. You don't want to get any excess glue. So you use this magazine. You put glue on the edges. You seal it. I usually then will put them face down, maybe under something heavy, just to dry. And then now we have this excess glue. You can kind of see where it's puckering. So all we do is we flip the page. And you can use both sides. I'm just going to use the right side for the purposes of this video. And these are also some extra envelopes that my printer crunched up. So we'll get that. Doesn't matter. We can get glue all over the edges, and it's never going to get on the outside of the envelope, which is super nice. So then when we stack them, we don't have to worry about any of that excess glue from the front getting onto our other envelopes. Turn the page, clean page. Repeat. And you can get twice as many. I mean, this is like a million page magazine, but you can get twice as many done if you're using both of the sheets. Another way that you can get twice as many done is if you just start at the very bottom. You might even get 3 or 4 per page. So just start at the very bottom, do this one, and then your second one you'll just put right here, so they're definitely not getting on that excess glue. And then you can move up maybe a third time. I wouldn't, honestly. This is so many pages. We always get so many magazines and things that we don't use, so I don't really need to conserve that too much. And then we've sealed all of our envelopes. We don't have any excess glue getting on the other ones, and I'm going to stack them face down just to give that glue a chance to be fully set, especially if we had a thick invitation in the envelope. They might need to just smoosh a little bit before they're ready to go. Let me know what you thought of this video and if this trick was helpful for you in sealing your wedding invitation envelopes. I'm an invitation designer, so I have a bunch of other helpful videos like this on my channel that I hope you'll check out.